Summer has arrived and there's so much to do. Whether you're splashing around in the pool, tending to your garden, or lounging in the sun, there's so much summer fun to be had. But what do you do with those pool toys, garden tools, and throw pillows at the end of the day? A deck box is the perfect solution. Available in many configurations, a deck box is a convenient way to store your items. How do you choose the right one? Keep watching to find out. Before choosing a deck box, consider what you need to store. This helps determine the right size and material your deck box needs to be. Consider the look of your current outdoor space so you can find the one to complement your decor. Also, be sure not to store any heat-sensitive items. Deck boxes can trap a significant amount of heat, especially if placed in a sunny location. Products like candles or flammable items should always be stored inside. Deck box size is commonly determined by the number of gallons it can store. The size you need depends on the available outdoor space and the items you want to store. Here are a few common sizes. Deck boxes 50 gallons and smaller are compact and best for storing small outdoor items. This can include gardening tools, outdoor decor, pool towels, and anything else that can clutter up your area. 50 to 99 gallon deck boxes provide a bit more space for larger items such as pool toys and outdoor throw pillows. They can also be used for larger gardening products like flower pots or a coiled hose. Deck boxes 100 gallons and larger provide the most space for the items that you want to store. This can include outdoor furniture cushion sets, pool maintenance tools, and large outdoor decor items. The material that a deck box is made of can affect both its durability and weather resistance, as well as its look and style. Plastic and resin deck boxes provide dependable protection against the outdoor elements, requiring very little maintenance. These boxes are available in the widest range of colors and can even feature different textures, such as wood grain or rattan weave. Wicker and rattan deck boxes feature a woven outdoor design that provides a more sophisticated look. They can complement your existing decor and furniture. The wicker is typically made from resin for weather resistance. Wooden deck boxes provide a solid design that can't easily be blown away. Their timeless look also never goes out of style. These deck boxes are made from moisture-resistant wood, including teak, pine, and cedar. Depending on the model, wooden deck boxes may require sealing or additional maintenance. While the standard deck box is a classic summer storage item, there are multiple types of deck boxes available. Check out the following styles to find the best one to suit your needs. Most traditional deck boxes feature a horizontal, rectangular design with a lift-top lid. These boxes can be placed against a wall or tucked under a deck for easy access. Depending on how sturdy it is, you can also sit on top of the deck box. End table deck boxes are small boxes with a flat top surface. Place these end tables beside an outdoor lounge chair or patio chat set. Not only can you use this deck box to keep clutter items out of sight, it also provides a convenient place to set a book, cold drink, or snack. Another that serves double duty on your patio is a storage bench. To access the deck box, all you need to do is lift the seat of the bench. These stylish benches provide comfortable seating as well as a convenient storage solution. The built-in deck box also allows you to easily tuck away the bench's seat cushions during the rainy days. Unlike traditional deck boxes, these deck boxes feature a vertical orientation for a more cabinet-like appearance. These deck boxes also have interior shelves to keep your items organized. In addition to storage space and quality materials, select deck box models have many convenient features. Here are some common features that you can look for. Some deck boxes have a lid with a space for a lock, while others have a padlock included. Whether you store something outside, there's always the risk that someone could easily pop the lid and run away with your belongings. Look for a lockable deck box to ensure peace of mind. Once you fill a deck box full of items, they can be heavy and difficult to move. Wheeled deck boxes allow you to smoothly push them from place to place with greater ease. Gas-filled hinges allow for soft and easy closing. This helps protect the items inside of the box from getting damaged by the lid slamming down if closed too roughly. There are so many different deck boxes available for your outdoor living space. Many of them provide advantages other than ample storage. Deck boxes will keep your items organized, declutter your outdoor spaces, and protect them from the elements. At sunnydazedecor.com, we provide a variety of deck boxes for your storage needs. We hope you're able to enjoy your yard and be free of clutter season after season. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.